Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Kaufman. Um, for my most recent field placement, I worked with a group that did an agency that conducted group therapy for children with autism. They ranged in age from kindergarten all the way up to the age of 21. In my current career, I work as a therapeutic staff support. I work specifically in a verbal behavior classroom, so I'm working with preschoolers with autism, um, basically giving them the skills they need to go to kindergarten and working on like speech therapy with them. What I hope to get out of this course is I hope to learn a little bit more about comorbid um, diagnoses that clients may have, and I would also like to look for specific symptoms of people with trauma. I think that studying trauma is relevant to me because I do hope to continue working with children. So they may currently be experiencing trauma or they may have past trauma, and I would love to learn a little bit more about looking for symptoms specifically for children. Um, and three ways that I plan to take care of myself this semester is I enjoy being outside, so I will like to continue to ride my bike, hike, and I also like to read. So when I'm not reading the course materials, I would like to have some time to myself to read this semester. I look forward to getting to know you all.